Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to activate Bank of America credit card online. To do so, first of all, open any browser. For now, I'm using Safari, and on the searching bar, search for Activate Bank of America credit card. Now, scroll down and hit on the Activate Your Credit Card website. Now, you will have two options. If you have already created online banking, then simply hit on the sign into online banking. But if you have not created your online banking, then hit on the enroll to online banking option. Now, I am hitting to enroll in online banking option. Once you go there, you will have this form. Fill it up. Add your card or account number and then social security number or tax ID number. If you don't have your social security number and tax ID number, then hit on don't have an SSN or TIN. Once you do that, simply hit on the continue and you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.